Good morning students, myself Ajit Pratap Singh. Today in this video of class 6 science, I'll talk about the new chapter, that is getting to know plants. Okay students, so first of all we will start with herbs, shrubs and trees. These are the three categories of plants. Before this we would like to have some introduction part as well. As we all know students that plants are everywhere. They are found on land as well as in water, and has been found that there are about 250,000 species or types of plants. To make the study of plants easier, we have divided into two groups, and these two groups are known as flowering plants. And flowering plants are the plants in which flower is produced. For example, mango, sunflower and rose. And non-flowering plants are the plants in which flowers are not produced. For example, ferns and mosses, and hence they are known as non-flowering plants. There is another way of classifying plants is according to their size and nature of the stem. Okay, and based on this, plants can be classified into three categories, that is herbs, shrubs and trees, as I just told you. And according to their characteristics, we will talk about their examples as well. And there is another type of plants that are totally different from these plants, and these are known as climbers and creepers. Climbers are the plants which climb with the help of support, for example grapevine and gourd. And creepers are the plant with weak stem, and they cannot stand upright because they spread out on the ground as well. For example, strawberry. Okay students, and in the table 8.1 we will talk about classification of plants on the basis of their size. On the basis of their size, herbs are very small plants and they are having a height of only 1 meter or less than 1 meter. And shrubs are medium sized plants and they are having a height of usually 1 to 3 meter. Trees are very tall plants or big plants, and they are generally having height of more than 3 meter. Okay, now we will talk about nature of the stem. The stem of the herbs are green, tender stem, and few branches are also available over there. And the stem of the shrubs are hard, but they are not very thick, and branches also rise from near of the base of the stem. And if we talk about the trees stem, then the stem of the trees are hard, brown and thick also, and branches also originate on the upper part of the stem. Now we will talk about some examples of herbs. The examples of herbs are grass, tomato, wheat and mint. And the examples of shrubs are China rose, that is also known as hibiscus, lemon, rose and pomegranate. And the examples of trees are flame tree, that is also known as gulmohar, neem, peepal, mango, etc. So thank you very much for watching this video.